What is up, everybody? Welcome to Trey's Trades, where we give technical analysis on different stocks in the stock market, as well as buy, hold, or sell opinions on these given stocks. I'd like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor nor expert. I am just some random dude on YouTube, so take what I say with a grain of salt. I'd like to thank everybody for coming to the channel, and specifically for 100 subscribers. This was a goal that I had right off the bat, and we hit it pretty much within a week of starting the channel, a little longer than a week. So you guys all rock. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you. If you think you'll enjoy the video, please drop a like. If not, drop a dislike. Either way, helping out the YouTube algorithm. And if you'd love to join the family out here and see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, today we're going to be giving an update on ticker symbol IDEX, Ideanomics Incorporated. You'll have to bear with the fact that I'm being a little bit quiet today. I'm over at my girlfriend's for the holidays, and they're sleeping, just trying to be respectful of their sleep schedule. But I have the 30-day chart pulled up here, 30-day, 30-minute chart, and let's take a look at some of the patterns. So we're going to start off by drawing an all-time high resistance line, which is sitting here at $3.33 for the 1 month chart, and we're going to draw the low sitting here at right about $1.69. We'll call it $1.68. That is a little bit lower. You can see that we do have an overall downward trend. We are starting here at $3.14 and finishing at $2.25, which is an overall downward trend. So, you know, if you took that large scale picture and looked at it that way, you might not want to get into this stock. However, you do need to look at more than just 1 month charts, 1 day charts, 10-day charts. You need to get a grand scheme picture of what's going on here. So if we look at the 10-day chart, that changed the picture quite a bit. You can see on the 10-day chart that we are in an upward trend now. We're spending a lot of time above the volume moving average, especially in the last 5 days, which is a good sign that this is bullish territory. The bulls are in control. And something else that I really like that I am seeing here is an increase in volume. So in a typical 30-minute window, 10 days ago, we were saying 780,000, 1 million, 144,000, 1 million, and then it seemed like it picked up quite a bit. Almost 2 million shares traded, 1.7 million shares, 1.7, 1.75 million, just about 5 million, and 8,296,000 shares traded here. And the last couple days maybe we're down a little bit, but we did also see a little bit more consolidation compared to the growth we had before. Excuse me. I do think we are going to continue growing, but if we do not, it will be because of this. So these are two levels that you kind of want to look for here. We have an immediate support line sitting at $2.11, and I think this is a pretty strong support level. We have hung above this for three days now. Mostly we had a couple of candle wick sticks that dipped below. However, they did only dip below and then immediately reject. So that is a good sign that for whatever reason or another, this is a psychological barrier for investors. So keep an eye on $2.11. This is a very important number. I'd write that down. If we dip below $2.11, it is possible that you see a little bit of a tank down to lower price valuations. With that being said, there is a really solid resistance line that we need to watch for, and that is right here. We're going to call it $2.37. If you really want to make it round and even, you can go $2.40. But we're going to go with $2.37 for the sake of the charts. And we're coming up on that price valuation very slowly and steadily. We've been creeping up, which is actually really unlike IDEX, and I like to see that. That's this really slow, consistent growth is promising that, you know, we might be able to hang around these new price valuations without dropping back down to previous lows. So I do like to see that, but keep an eye on this $2.37 resistance line. If we do break through this, there is a very good chance that we go up pretty high, and I wouldn't be surprised if you see the $3 price target at that point, because the next level of resistance, the next major level of resistance is going to be, you know, probably here first, you know, at 248, but past that it's going to be just about $3. So keep that in the back of your mind. If we bust through this 237 to 240 price target, $3 is on the horizon. So those of you that are being patient with IDEX, it seems like you may soon get your payout. However, we are going to need a couple more green days and a little bit more volume and volatility, because as I've said before, volatility is driven by volume. So that is what I have for IDEX. That's a look at the charts. I hope that was helpful. We have been spending a lot of time above the volume moving average, so the bulls are definitely in control. It does not look like, especially in the last 3 days, we are in overbought territory. If anything, we have been a little bit oversold, as we have come close to this 30 RSI, or relative strength indicator, and that is a good sign for bulls. That means that if anything, the stock is undervalued, and this is a great opportunity to get in for hopefully a pretty solid ride. What would I do if I was a position holder in IDEX? I would continue to hold. I am bought in at $2.02, and I am going to be holding until we at least break through this 237 line. I'm looking for a $3 price target to get out of the stock. If you'd like to get into this stock, what would I do? I would try and look for this $2.11 support line as a possible entry point. I would not try to buy in at $2.25. This stock is usually pretty volatile, and I would be very surprised if you don't see $2.11 at least at some point. So if you want to set a limit order for, you know, $2.13 just to be safe, you know, the 2-cent spread really isn't that big of a deal. You should be able to get in at some point. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor nor expert, and I cannot predict the future, so make sure you do your own due diligence. If I could predict the future, I'd be very rich, and so would all of you. All right, that is all I have for you guys today. Please drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Drop a dislike if you did not. Either way, you're helping out the YouTube algorithm, and consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like to see more content like this. With that being said, I will see you guys next time. Peace.